Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Today we are going to discuss what is drive and what is electrical drive. Clear? And block diagram of the electrical drives and types of electrical drives. These are the content in the first unit. Advantage and disadvantages of the electrical drives. Motor load dynamic system. Multi-quadrant operation. Okay, equivalent values of drive parameters and load torque components. Is it clear? So what is drive? What is drive? Can anybody tell what is drive? Drive is nothing but the system. Yes, continue please. Tell me.
System employed for motion control are called the drive.
Okay, can you explain it? Can you explain it? Okay, is it right answer? System employed for motion control are called drives. Clear? So what is the meaning of this point? What is the meaning of this point? System employed for motion control are called drives. This is nothing but see here. For example, this is the one system is there. Okay, this is the one load we are having. This is the one load we are having. This is the load. Clear? And this for operating this load, to operating or to run this load, we are developing the one system. Okay, to run this load, to operating this load, we are developing one system. Okay, this is the system is employed for motion control is called as an electrical drive, is called as drive. Means to control the speed of this load, we have designed one system. Okay, whatever the system has been designed to control the motion of any load, that system can be called as drive. That system can be called as a drive. Is it right? Are you got the point? Hello, I'm audible?
Repeat.
Okay, for example, we have a load. Okay, we have a load. To control the motion of this load, motion means speed or velocity, whatever. Clear? Okay, we have a load. To control the motion of this load or speed of this load, we have designed one system. Okay, this system is called as a drive. This system is called as drive. Is it clear? Means the system which is designed to control the motion, okay, to control the motion or to control the speed of this load, okay, that system can be called as drive. That system can be called as drive. It is clear? So I think now you got the point. Hello. Now I think you got the point. Definition of drives.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see here. Okay, the system may be a prime mover such as diesel or petrol engines or gas or steam turbines, steam engines, hydraulic motors and electric motors, and so on, etc. Okay, means what we are saying here. Okay, this is the load. This is the load. Okay, this load is running with the help of motors or hydraulic such as prime movers such as diesel or petrol engines, okay, steam turbines or steam engines, hydraulic motors or electrical motors. Okay, this load is running. For operating this load or for running this load, we are using the some prime movers such as diesel engine or petrol engines, okay, steam turbines or steam engines or hydraulic motors or electric motors. Is it clear? Okay, so for operating this load, we are using extra component, additional components such as motors or motions, maybe a diesel engine, petrol engines, steam turbines, okay, hydraulic motors, and so on, etc. Okay, this system can be called as a drive. This system is called as drive. Clear? This system is called as a drive. Okay, so what is electrical drive? What is electrical drive here? Electrical drive is nothing but the load, the load is operating with the help of electrical motor. With the help of electrical motor. The system employed, the drive employed with the electrical motor is called as electrical drives. Okay, whatever system we have designed to control the motion of the load or to control the velocity of the load or to control the speed of the load, okay, that system can be called as drive. That system can be called as drive. Okay, if that drive is consisting of electrical motor, if the drive is having or if the drive is designed by using the electrical motors, okay, that drive can be called as electrical drive. That drive can be called as electrical drive. Clear? I think you got the definition. It's a very, very important definition. Please remember. Can you tell anyone what is drive? What is drive? Please, anyone? What is drive?
It is used for control the motion of the system.
Okay, drive is used to control the motion of the system or to control the speed of the system. Okay, so means exact definition is the drive is nothing but the system, whatever which is designed to control the speed of the load, to control the motion of the load, to control the velocity of the load. Is it clear? Okay, that system can be called as drive. That system can be called as drive. Okay, so here the load can be operated with the help of number of machines, maybe a petrol engine or diesel engine or steam turbines, okay, steam engines, hydraulic motors, and so on, etc. But if we are using the only electrical motors, to control the motion of this load, to control the speed of this load, to control the velocity of this load, okay, that drive can be called as an electrical drive. If the system is employed with electrical motors, is called as an electrical drive. Okay, so if the system is consisting, or if the system is designed by the prime mover, such as diesel engine or petrol engine or steam turbines, okay, that system cannot be called as electrical drive. Please remember. Okay, if the system is consisting of diesel engine or petrol engine or steam turbines or steam engines, hydraulic motors, okay, that system cannot be called as an electrical drive. Please remember this point. Are you got the point? Only electrical drive कब बोलते हैं अपन? उसमें electrical motor present रहना चाहिए, whether it may be DC motor or whether it may be AC motor. Okay, हेलो, उसमें electrical motor present रहना चाहिए, तभी अपन बोल सकते हैं electrical drive. Then only we can call as electrical drive. Okay, instead of electrical motors, we are using the other motors, so we cannot call it as a electrical drive. We cannot call it as a electrical drive. This is the one of the most important definition. Okay, anyone can ask the question in the practical examination or in any interview, what is drive, what is electrical drive, what is drive and what is electrical drive. Okay, so the drive is nothing but the system which is developed, for control the motion of the load, okay, is called as drive. If same drive is consisting of electrical motor, okay, can be called as an electrical drive. If the same system is consisting of electrical motors, can be called as electrical drive. So simply what we can say, the drives employing electrical motors are known as electrical drive. Okay, general definition can we give it for drive? For example, we are driving the two-wheeler, we are driving the motorcycle, we are driving the bike, two-wheeler vehicle. So how we can give the definition for that? How we can give the definition for that? Just assume we are driving the bike, two-wheeler. Clear? So how we can give the definition for the drive? General definition. ड्राइव में जब बाइक ड्राइविंग करते क्या क्या ऑब्जर्व करना पड़ता है अपन को? स्पीड कंट्रोलिंग करना पड़ता है कि नहीं पड़ता है? हेलो हेलो, बाइक ड्राइविंग करते हैं, स्पीड कंट्रोलिंग करना है कि नहीं करना है? आई एम ऑडिबल? हेलो, say anyone please. Vishal, Jairam, Jairam,
Yes, sir.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
So why you are
Yes,
not
sir.
giving the response? Vedant, Vedant, Shantanu Patil.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Vedant, sir.
Vedant. Vedant, tell me, जब अपन टू व्हीलर ड्राइविंग करते गए, बाइक ड्राइविंग किए क्या आपने?
Yes, sir. क्या है?
किए है क्या? तो क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स ऑब्जर्व करना पड़ता है ड्राइविंग के लिए फॉर गुड ड्राइविंग? What type of parameters we are going to observe while driving the motorcycle? Mainly three.
Acceleration, brake velocity.
Yes. Yes, Vishal, tell me please, little bit loudly. Vishal.
Acceleration, velocity, and brakes.
Well, accelerator, velocity, and
Brakes.
a brake is nothing but what? Speed controlling, na?
Deceleration.
Okay. So mainly three parameters which we are going to observe while driving the two-wheeler. Which one? One is the position of the vehicle. Is it right or not? And direction of the vehicle drive. And third one is the speed of the vehicle. These are the three parameters we are going to observe while for driving the vehicle. First one is the position of the vehicle, and direction of the vehicle, and speed of the vehicle. अगर आपने ड्राइविंग करते हैं, कोई पोजीशन मेंटेन नहीं करते है, जैसा आपकी इच्छा है वैसे चलाते हैं, चलता है कि वैसे कभी ना कभी गिर जाओगे. If we are not maintaining the position of the vehicle properly, so क्या हो जाएगा? गिर जाएंगे, नहीं जाएंगे? गिर जाएंगे ना विशाल? विशाल,
Yes, sir.
if
Hello.
अगर पोजीशन मेंटेन नहीं किया है ड्राइविंग करते समय, गिरेंगे कि नहीं गिरेंगे?
हाँ, गिरेंगे.
तो पोजीशन इज द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर ना.
हाँ, yes, sir.
शुभम दोषी, शुभम दोषी,
Yes, sir.
are you agree with this condition if we are not maintaining the position while driving the vehicle?
Yes, I'm agree.
Okay. Second one, speed also. So we have to control the speed also. Is it clear? Depends upon the road position, depends upon the traffic. So we have to control the speed of the vehicle. Okay, we have to control the speed of the vehicle. The next one, direction is also important. Direction is also important. Direction अगर आपने properly maintain नहीं की है तो आप चला सकते हैं गाड़ी? पूजा, roll number 8. Roll number 8, Pooja.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, direction is also main important parameter for driving, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we can give the general definition for the driving or for the drive, general definition. So the drive, which is observing the speed of the vehicle and the position of the vehicle and the direction of the control, direction of the vehicle. Okay, that one can be called as a drive. Okay, we can call it a drive. Means the drive is nothing but which is observing the which is maintaining the speed control, which is observing the position of the vehicle, which is observing the direction of the vehicle. Okay, that is called as drive. That is called as drive. Okay, now you got the point, Saurabh? Saurabh? Onkar? Raut? Onkar, are you there? Roll number 58. Shantanu, Shantanu,
Yes, sir.
कौन शांतनु शांतनु क्या? Shantanu Patil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give the definition for the general definition for drive? Can you give general definition for the drive? Shantanu Patil.
System employed for motion control is called drive.
System employed for motion control is called drive. Okay, so electrical drive is nothing but Shantanu Patil.
Drives employing electrical motor is known as electrical drive.
Okay, can you explain it? Can you explain it? Okay, so let it be. Okay, so please remember all of you. So drive is nothing but the system which is designed for controlling the motion of the load, which is designed for controlling the motion of the load. Okay, that system can be called as drive. That system can be called as drive. Okay. Okay, if the system is or operated with the electrical motors, if the system is operated with electrical motors, then it can be called as a electrical drives. If the load is operated with the electrical motors, then it is can be called as electrical drives. Or we can say the drives is employing with electrical motors. It can be called as electrical drives. Electrical drives. Okay. Is it okay, all of you? The definition of the electrical drives. Is it okay? The concept is clear. Definition of electrical drives.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. What are the components of electrical drives, or what is the block diagram of electrical drives? What is the block diagram of electrical drives? This is the block diagram of electrical drives. Okay, this is the load. This is the load. Okay, this load is operated through the electrical motor. Okay, this load is operated through the electrical motor. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so to control the speed of this load, okay, if you want to operate this load in a particular speed, okay, in a particular speed, okay, so क्या करना पड़ेगा अपन को to control the motion of this load, to control the speed of this load, or to control the velocity of this load? So what we have to do? That can we control directly speed of this load? Directly control कर सकते क्या अपन? Directly control कर सकते क्या? Directly control कर सकते क्या है? Manually stop कर सकते क्या speed को load का? So whatever this load is driving the component, okay, that motor component speed should be controlled. That motor Okay, this load is operated with the help of motor. Okay, so if we control the speed of this motor, so then only the speed of the load can be controlled. Then only the speed of the load can be controlled, because this load and motor is mechanically coupled. This load and motor mechanically coupled, electrical motor. Is it clear? This motor is operating this load. Okay, these two components or these two equipments or these two elements are mechanically coupled. Okay, is it okay? Nobody is giving the response. Shraddha,
Yes, sir.
are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this load is operated through the electrical motor. If you want to control the speed of this load, if you want to control the velocity of this load, if you want to control the motion control, so we have to control the speed of the electrical motor. We have to control the speed of the electrical motor, because this motor is mechanically coupled with the load. Okay, so this motor and load can be connected, directly connected with the mechanically coupled, or with the help of rope, or with the help of belt, with the help of chain, and so on etc. So जैसे अपन आटा चक्की देखे क्या आपने कभी? आटा चक्की में गए थे क्या?
हाँ, सर.
आटा चक्की में कैसे कनेक्ट रहता है? तो मोटर एक जगह रहता है, वो मशीन एक जगह रहता है ना? मोटर एक जगह है और मशीन एक जगह रहता है. इज इट राइट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
तो ये दोनों कैसे कनेक्ट रहता है? बेल्ट के थ्रू कनेक्ट करते हैं ना, मोटर और मशीन. तो बेल्ट के थ्रू कनेक्ट करते हैं ना अपन.
Yes, sir.
प्रतिज्ञा नावले, संगीता पूजारी, संगीता, संगीता, nobody is giving the response. How we can continue the lecture? Anushka, okay. So for example, if we see the अपन अगर कभी आटा चक्की देखेंगे ना, क्या हो जाएगा? मोटर एक जगह है, मशीन एक जगह रहता है. तो मोटर on this machine is connected with the help of belt. With the help of belt. Is it clear? So means what we can say, the motor and load can be connected with the help of chain, or with the help of belt, with the help of rope. Okay, or the motor is directly connected to the load. Okay, the shaft of the motor is directly connected to the shaft of the load. Okay, this is the different types of mechanisms we are using to connect the motor and load. Okay, different types of mechanisms we are using to connect the motor and load. Okay, this motor and load can be connected through the belt, or through the chain, or through the rope, or through the shaft of the motor. Sorry, directly connected to the shaft of the motor. Is it clear? So next, so how we can control the speed of this motor? So how can we can control the speed of this motor? Can we control it directly? हाथ से controlling कर सकते हैं क्या? हाथ से controlling कर सकते हैं क्या speed को?
नहीं.
नहीं कर सकते. So motor speed को कैसे control कर सकते हैं अपन? What are the speed control techniques of the motors? For example, DC motors का speed control techniques कौन सा है? What are the speed control techniques of DC motors? So speed controlling करने के लिए अपन को motor का power controlling करना है ना? Whatever giving the power supply to the motor, that should be controlled. Is it right or not? Is it right or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Payal.
Payal. Okay, Payal. What are the speed controller? Okay, so to control the speed of the motor, so we have to control the power. Means we have to control the electrical parameters like voltage, current, frequency, and so on, etc. So means power controlling करना पड़ेगा. If you control the power which is given to the motor, okay, which is fed to the motor. So if the power is controlled, accordingly the motor speed is also controlled. Accordingly the motor speed is also varies. Is it right or not, Payal? Payal? Hello? Hello?
Right, sir.
Okay. So what are the general methods of the speed control techniques of the motors? General methods, DC motor, for example. DC speed control techniques of DC motor. What are those? Can anyone tell? Shraddha? Shraddha? Shubham Doshi? Shubham Doshi?
Yes, sir.
What are the what are the speed control techniques of DC motors? General methods. I think you have studied in the electrical machines.
Varying the voltage.
Yes, Shraddha, tell me.
Status type.
Varying the voltage, sir.
Okay.
And varying the resistance.
Okay.
Varying the flux.
Okay. So what we can say? Armature voltage control technique, field flux control technique, and armature resistance control method. These are the general methods, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Armature resistance control method and armature voltage control method and field flux control method. These are the general methods we have, but we have some drawbacks in the general methods. Okay. For example, if we take the armature resistance control method. Okay, if we take the armature control resistance control method, the power we are using the resistance. Okay, we are inserting the one resistance. Okay, in series with the circuit, and we are wasting the power in the form of heat. Okay, we are wasting the energy in the form of heat. Okay, what will happening? The power losses will be occur. The power losses will be occur. Means what we can say? So the losses are more in the case of armature resistance control method. The losses are more in the case of armature resistance control method. Is it clear? So, and for example, armature voltage control technique mein. Okay, time is over. Please join again. Please join again.